Good evening. My name is Hilda Caterine Quiroga Loaiza. I am 34 years old. I reside in Nat municipality of Apartado. I live with my husband. His name is Carlos. And my street cat. Its name's Príncipe, Precioso, and Bello. I did not have children. I am a student of the Universidad Autónoma of Manizales of Technology and Business Management. I work as an administrative assistant in need area of organizational development in that company, say Univan S.A. 1 year island. My working is great. Thank you very much. Goodbye.